students, this is the lesson and this is first lesson of geography, and this is the QR code of your lesson. What it is? QR code of the lesson. If you are scanning this one, you will get the details of the lesson. I will send the link so you can go through these lessons. And here what we studied in smaller classes, like that one solar system, it is given. And when you are reading your textbook, not only the major portions like this area normally we will read, but many times what we are doing, we will skip this area. So what is my suggestion? We should read both part, this part as well as the sidewise what is written that we want to read. And if you are going to the lesson, every lesson we can see some pictures and what it mean, like the details it is given in the textbook itself. So what is the this picture, what it is, that is this. We also very much interested to looking above the sky and count the stars. We tried many times because we are becoming failure and all that we know. Then what it is interesting, some factors it is given and some word meanings, new word and its meaning given, some pictures given. Under the pictures many details it is given, that also we can see here. You can see the under the picture what it is mean, like that things it is giving. So we can go through all these things. And again here we can see, do you know what we may know already, and what origin of the word. Then next one it is again the details of the lesson and some boxes in between also we can see. All these things we want to read, not only the major portion of the lesson, and what all the boxes are given, that when I am teaching the lesson you will find come to know why we want to read and all like that things. Okay, so we are going to start the lesson. This is the site what I am using, algazam.com, school.algazam.com, like that. It is NCERT books are available, e-books are available. Okay, first lesson, it is Earth in the solar system. What is the lesson name? Say loudly all together, the Earth in the solar system. Once again, read the lesson name, the Earth in the solar system. What we are going to study? We are going to study about Earth. And where we are going to find out Earth, that is in the solar system. Okay, next, first sentence. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after a sunset. In the evening after 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, we are very much interested to see the sky. Why? It is wonderful, changing the colors and other things, and coming the stars to shine, and moon it is coming, and some clouds are moving according to wind, like that things we are very much interested to see. Next sentence. One would first notice one or two bright dots shining in the sky. What we will call it? We studied like one small rhyme when we studied in KG classes, first standard. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So one by one, that small dots of tingling we will observe. What we will call it? It is the star. Soon you would see the number of that number is increasing. First 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, like that number slowly it is increasing. You cannot count them anymore. And if you are watching like that 1 hour and around our area, we'll try to count. Okay, today evening you can go outside and try to count the stars. How many stars it is appeared in Karur area, you want to count and say to me. Okay, and now we are seeing that one, it is we can't count like that in textbook said. Is it true or not? We want to observe. Okay, if you went yesterday and observing that one, the sun or moon and stars, nothing. Why? Because of clouds. It was lightning and thundering, it was going on, and so we never got chance to see stars. And today you try, I don't know, it will be cloudy day or like that bright day and all. Okay, next one. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others are dim. So we are having the stars, some are very bright, some are very dim also. It seems as if the sky it is studded with diamonds. Each and every part of the sky got some studs, and they are using like diamond earrings, like that where we will feel it. And they all appear to be tingling. But if you look at them carefully, you will notice that Some of them do not tingle as others do. So when we are observing the stars, some of the stars are tingling, some of the stars not at all tingling. That diamond spot, they simply glow without any flicker, just as the moon shine. So they are having some different types of stars. According to that, it may twinkle or without tingling also. Then along with this bright object, you may also see the moon on the most of the days, and minimum 15 days we can see different shapes of the moon. We may see like this small coconut piece of the moon, or what we can say the watermelon piece, and slowly it will grow to some more bigger piece, then it will reach to half moon, then slowly it will come little bit up, and slowly it is coming to the full moon, like that. Again it will come to half or more than half, then quarter, like that it is coming. So we are observe that one. If you are continuously 1 month, if you are observing, you can see the both changes coming. It is growing and becoming full moon, and it is decreasing and coming to new moon also. So it may it may however appears at different times in different shapes and at different positions. So it is your homework. Again, another one homework. Draw the different shapes of moon of 15 days, first 15 days from new moon to full moon, that you can check in net and you can draw it in your CW, and you can say like that second day, third day, fourth day, like that. Very clearly you want to write the days how the moons are appearing in the sky. Then next one, you can see the full moon only once in about a month time. Means it is taking 28 days to complete one circle from full moon to new moon. So it is taking to 28 days, that both if you want to see. So we are having one full moon and one new moon in a month. The next one, next sentence, it is full moon night or Purnima. What we are calling it, Purnima or full moon night, which day we can see the bright moon. The next one, a fortnight later, cannot see it at all. Means after 2 weeks we can't see even single spot of moon. That what we will call it, it is new moon night or Amavasya. So I think here we are celebrating many festivals related to this full moon or new moon. And on this day you can watch the night sky best, provided it is clear night. Why in the new moon day we can see very clearly? Because there is no moon also, so we can see all the small spots of these stars and planets very clearly. Then do you wonder why cannot see the moon and all those bright tiny